Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking into this video. My name is Kia. If you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's nice to have you. And if you are returning, it's great to have you back. Today I'm going to finally be talking to you guys about an upcoming project I have for this channel. I am super excited to be sharing this with you, and I really hope that you guys will join me as I embark on this really exciting new thing. Okay, so if you're following me on social, you may have seen that on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, virtually everywhere that I can be found online, I have been telling you guys to come meet me here and subscribe. And the reason for that is because in December, I am going to be hosting a few rounds of a sewing stream. It'll be my first time streaming. I'm still getting the details and things of that nature together for it. But yes, I will be hosting a sewing stream where you guys will not only get to see me work on items in real time, but if you decide to make what I'm making, I will also be showing you guys how I do these things step by step so that we can work on this project together. And I am super, super, super excited to share this with you guys. I've had so many people ask me, hey, like, you know, how do I start making like this, that, and the other? Or do you take commissions, etc., etc.? I don't take commissions, but I am very, very excited to show you guys how I make some of the items that you see in my Instagram and in my photo shoots and stuff like that. We're going to actually be making some of these items together, and I'm so hyped for you guys to join me on this journey. So like, one of the things that I decided that I really wanted to do, like, since I started this channel and got into cosplay and making my own cosplays, is I wanted to encourage more people to pick up the needle and thread and sew for themselves. People ask me all the time, like, oh, do you take commissions? Do you do this? And it's like, I don't. And the reason why is because I'm not 100% sure of my skill levels yet when it comes to making things for other people. But I also find it to be a lot more pleasurable to show people how to make their own garments. And for myself, like this costume right here, I completed this in one weekend. And so I want to show you guys how you can also get to a point where it's like you start busting out costumes like in a weekend, 2 days, 2 weeks, etc., etc. And so my idea for this stream is for us to pick a project and work together on it. A project that's really, really simple, very beginner friendly, and also very affordable because cosplay costs money. And I really don't want you guys trying to go broke trying to make something, especially if it's your first time making anything at all. So my goal with this stream is to stream 2 days a week for 1 hour each. The very first stream is actually going to be next Tuesday at 7 p.m., which is December 1st. And that is when the first stream will take place, and that's where I'll be going over with you guys the pattern and everything else that we're going to be using. I do have the pattern that we're going to be using for the first stream right here next to me. The pattern that we're going to sew first is going to be the Butterick 5935 pattern. It's a corset pattern, and we are going to be making view A. So view A is going to be the pattern that we're making for this stream. Very excited to make this. I have never used this pattern, so it's still like in its original form. I've never touched it before. So I'm very excited to use it. Also a little bit nervous because it's my first time trying it, but we're gonna just try it together. And some of the materials that you can use is wool, velveteen, brocade, satin, taffeta, chintz, cotton, and cotton blends. I'm going to be using cotton to make this item. You guys can choose whichever one you want should you choose to follow along. In the description box below, I am going to leave all of the details in terms of fabric recommendations and notions in the description box. I will also leave you guys with links to some of the places where you can find the pattern and the materials that you would need to make this. But I decided on this pattern because I feel like this would be really cute to wear over like oh my gosh, a turtleneck. I don't know why I struggled to get that out. I feel like this would be really cute like over a turtleneck or some other type of like long sleeve shirt, and I've always wanted one, and I found that like on a lot of like Instagram baddie pages and stuff like that. The little corset top is like really popular. So I decided I wanted to make one based off of that. And that will be the first project for the very first stream that I'm doing, which will hopefully be one of many. So if you choose to make the same item that I'm making during the stream, understand that we will be working on this item together. So where it will take me like one weekend to probably get through like this whole thing, with this stream, the projects that we work on are going to be exclusive to this stream. So we're going to take however long it takes via stream to complete this project. So if this corset takes us 2 weeks, which is 4 different streams going over the making of this item, then that's just how long it'll take. But we will make these items together. And my hope is that you guys really do like make the items that I'm working on. But you do not have to. If you just want to come through and vibe with your girl, watch my faces of disgust, admiration, and confusion as I go through following this pattern and trying to create something from it, that's cool too. I definitely welcome that, because I think it would be really nice for you guys to see my creative process, because I am not a professional at this by any means whatsoever. I'm not a professional. I'm just a hobbyist, and I'm just really sharing what I know. But I think if you guys got to see my creative process, you would maybe find it really fun and hopefully join along, but it's not required. I just really want to like get on stream and talk to you guys and chat and make stuff that's really cool. And so, yes, this will be starting in December. I'm aiming for 7 p.m. But if you are not following me on any of my other social channels, I really, really encourage you guys to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram so that you can hear about what's going on in like real time with these streams. I am a creator, but I also have a full-time job outside of this. So there are going to be days which, you know, I'm not going to feel like streaming. I don't want to burn myself out, because that means I'm not giving you guys my best, and you guys only deserve my best, point blank. And so if I'm having a day where I feel like I can't give you my best, then I'm not going to even try, because you guys just don't deserve it. But I'm really excited to have you guys do this with me. I'm currently setting up like my streaming space with like the LED lights and stuff like that. So it's going to look really cool when we first get started. I'm really excited for you guys to see that. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in here and say that and make that announcement that I will soon be streaming on YouTube and possibly Twitch. But for right now, I have my eyes set on YouTube and bring you guys more content here. So if you guys have any questions for me about the stream, please leave a comment down below and I will be sure to get back to you. Or you can hit me up on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, and I will answer any questions you have there as well. But in the meantime, I really do hope that you guys have a safe and fun Thanksgiving. I know that the holidays for all of us look so much different this year, but I really do hope that you guys enjoy it. And I hope that you guys will come through for my stream. I'm so excited, and it would really mean a lot if you guys like showed up and just came to like vibe and chill with your girl. But that's it from me for right now. I hope you guys stay well. Thank you so much for coming through to watch this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.